Hey guys, welcome back to Grace Meets Globe, where I make traveling less of a dumpster fire and more of a first-class upgrade. Listen, we've all been there. You're crammed into row 47, desperately trying to shove your oversized personal item into the overhead bin, while the flight attendant gives you the side eye of judgment. It's a special kind of travel hell. And guess what? This year is coming in hot with even stricter carry-on rules. We're talking airlines measuring bags with the intensity of a hawk eyeing its prey. And those baggage fees? Let's just say they're not getting any cheaper. But don't hit the panic button just yet. Think of me as your personal carry-on fairy godmother. In this video, we're spilling all the tea on the new rules, dodging those pesky fees, and packing like a pro so you can breeze through security faster than you can say upgrade. Navigating airline rules feels like solving a Rubik's Cube after 3 margaritas. Knowing your airline's carry-on restrictions is key to avoiding fees. Delta's carry-on size limit is 22 by 14 by 9 inches. Frontier's basic economy fares don't include a free carry-on. Ryanair's carry-on policy varies by ticket type. I've created a chart comparing all major airlines' carry-on rules. All right, buckle up, Buttercup, because we're about to enter the wonderful world of airport security. The TSA is notorious for its ever-changing rules, and this year is no exception. They're rolling out new liquid allowance tests that are about as clear as mud. Remember the 3-1-1 rule? Well, it still applies, but now they're getting all high-tech with it. Some airports are using fancy new scanners that can detect even the tiniest drop of liquid exceeding the limit. So if you're trying to sneak in a full-sized bottle of shampoo disguised as a travel-sized one, good luck with that. And speaking of things that will get you flagged at security, let's talk electronics. Power banks, those lifesavers of the digital age, are now public enemy number 1. The TSA is cracking down on them, and they need to be packed in your personal item, not your carry-on. So, make sure your phone charger isn't buried at the bottom of your suitcase, or you'll be stuck with a dead battery and a whole lot of regret. Here's a pro tip from a seasoned traveler. Keep all your electronics easily accessible in your bag. We're talking laptops out, phones charged, headphones untangled. This will make your life so much easier when you're trying to navigate that security line like a boss. Trust me, a little organization goes a long way in the airport jungle. Chapter 3. Sneaky fees. Exposed. Don't let airlines steal your travel fund. Let's talk about those pesky hidden fees. Airlines sneak in like unwanted house guests. Budget airlines, like Spirit and Ryanair, are masters of this tactic. They lure you with low fares, then hit you with baggage fees that make your wallet cry. Most budget airlines now charge for carry-on bags unless you prepay. We're talking upwards of $50 or more. Pack light or prepay for that checked bag in advance. The fee frenzy doesn't stop there. Oversized or overweight bags at the gate. Be prepared to pay up. Fees can be $100 or more. Avoid these fees by being prepared. Check your bag dimensions before packing. Invest in a portable luggage scale. A little planning goes a long way to outsmart those sneaky airline fees. Chapter 4. Packing like a pro. Mastering the art of the carry-on. All right, my fellow travel enthusiasts, now comes the fun part. Packing. But before you go stuffing your entire wardrobe into that suitcase, let's talk strategy. Remember, we're aiming for maximum efficiency and minimum wrinkles. First things first, invest in a good quality, lightweight carry-on. I'm personally obsessed with Samsonite and Away luggage. They're stylish, durable, and they won't break the bank. Plus, they're designed to fit within those strict airline size limits. Now let's talk packing cubes. These little lifesavers are about to become your new best friends. They'll keep your clothes organized, compressed, and wrinkle-free. Plus, they make it super easy to find what you're looking for without turning your suitcase into a disaster zone. And my number one packing hack? Rolling, baby. Rolling. Forget folding. Embrace the roll. Rolling your clothes not only saves space, but also helps prevent those dreaded wrinkles. It's like magic. Oh, and don't forget to utilize those awkward spaces inside your shoes. Socks, underwear, even small electronics can be tucked away in there. Every little bit of space counts. Remember, packing is an art form, and with a little practice, you'll be a carry-on ninja in no time. Fly smarter, not harder. And there you have it, my travel companions. You are now armed with the knowledge and packing prowess to conquer these carry-on rules like a boss. Remember, airlines might be cracking down, but we're one step ahead. Don't let those sneaky fees and ever-changing regulations ruin your travel adventures. Pack smart, plan ahead, and embrace the art of efficiency. Now, I want to hear from you. What are your best carry-on packing hacks? Share your wisdom in the comments below. Before you go, I would appreciate it if you could hit the subscribe button and help me reach 1,000 subscribers. See you next time.